Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to do a reset of the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now of course, this is the Galaxy A16, and in order to do a reset, I'm just going to show you the procedure. Make sure that you at first go ahead and back up all the files on your device. And it's always a good idea to remove your Google accounts as on reset. If you do not, it will ask for you to log in to the email associated with your Samsung accounts attached. And if you have forgotten it, what's going to happen is that you're going to have issues to get back in, and there's going to be a FRP lock. All right, so go ahead and do that. I recommend that as soon as you do the backup, then you follow along. All right, so if everything is okay, go ahead and go to your settings. All right, you're going to be in the main settings as seen here, and you're going to go down and you're going to go to general management. So search for the option that says general management. Here you go, top. Then you should see the option to reset right here, right on top. And of course, this is the reset menu. Now, when you're in the reset menu, it gives you several options. And of course, the one that you most likely are interested in is to reset all the device completely, or a factory reset. All right. So of course, here you go. It says it right here. It says reset your phone to its factory defaults. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. So of course, go ahead and tap. It will then run you through some stuff. It shows you that all data will be erased from your phone, including Google accounts, system apps and data settings, downloads, you name it, pictures, everything. All right, that's not backed up. And of course, it will give you some examples of stuff associated with your device. You can see there. All right. Once it runs you through, it will basically show you what's happening as to everything that it will do. So when you're ready to proceed, go ahead and tap reset. All right, so this is just showing you what to do. And of course, I'm going to end the tutorial here. You can continue on your own. From here, it's straightforward, and the system will reboot. And that's how you do a reset of your Samsung Galaxy device. Do hope this was useful. And as always, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.